recording right here.
There's a window missing. It's like insulation.
Around machine's big.
Bringing in the new window.
The new flat screen.
Bringing in the new flat screen. They're going to cover that building with flat screen so you can watch TV from a distance. He's got his bucket of tools. Got some suction cups on it. About time you got down here. I've been doing all the work. Yeah, send the police. There's a couple guys trying to break in my window.
Wait.
So how do we get this window to go in?
Swing back and then give it a good kick.
You swing back and give it a good kick. I got a bucket.
That bucket doesn't weigh very much. You do it.
What if I swing and kick it and it breaks the window?
It's not our window.
Is it tempered glass? Did they even order tempered glass this time?
Maybe it's bulletproof.
So you want me to swing back and kick it?
The government gave us bulletproof glass.
This one's bulletproof?
Yeah.
Heck, that's why it's so heavy. Look how thick it is. Oh, I better clean this spot.
Maybe someone will want to break into that one window.
What one window?
This one, and it's
Oh,
bulletproof.
you think they're going to pick this one? You know how high this one is?
Yeah.
How high is this one?
What if they break in the way we're doing it?
Oh. I should have worn my orange vest. Got any sandwiches in that bucket?
No, that's the potty bucket.
Wait, that's the potty bucket?
Yeah.
Why did you bring a potty bucket?
Sometimes when you use the bathroom when I'm up here.
You can't go to the bathroom out here in the public.
Maybe if people wouldn't zoom in on us or anything.
You think somebody zoomed in on us?
I don't know.
I mean, right now, you think somebody zoomed in on us? I doubt it.
Hey, go up a little or go down some. I need to use the bathroom.
I'll just turn my back. No peeking.
Okay, fine.
Just hold it.
I wonder how many bathrooms are in this building.
This window don't even fit. They ordered the wrong window.